Hi YouTubers, we're Marko with Marko Custom Models. Come to you with a couple kits from Galaxie. I just wanted to, I want to show you this trailer that I picked up. A local hobby shop here will bring these in once in a while. I haven't seen the trailer there, so I just bought it. First time I've seen it, so I figure I'll pick it up. And I figure I'll share it with everyone here on YouTube. I don't know if anybody else has a video. I haven't looked on this, so I just thought I'd do a kit review on it. Galaxie kits, you don't know what they really look like on the box. I remember a while back I was out of town in Calgary, and I picked this up at a hobby shop, and I had no idea what to expect. There's beautiful box art on it, and they show a detailed chassis separate, but no pictures of the actual model, and you can build this one as a 46, a 47, or a 48. They make the sedan delivery, and they also make a sedan. But this is the one I saw back then. I bought it quite a few years ago. Their kits are always like limited production. The trailer is limited of 1 of 5,000, and the kits, I'm not sure how many this is, but anyway, I've seen a couple sedans since, and since I have the delivery, I didn't really want to buy another one, but they're nice kits. I want to show you. I just want to show you what you get. So this is the sedan. I opened up the body here just to take a look and at the detail, and it seems nice. Everything's sort of fit together well as far as fit and finish of the entire body. The has really nice detail. Like, look at that firewall, hood hinges. The chrome still in the bag, so I don't know how well you can see it here on camera with the glare, but it's nice. Not a lot of flash. The chrome is nice. There's no wrinkles or anything on it. It's just looks good. And same with the here's a tree that is opened out of the plastic. The wheels, the detail is awesome. You got the valve stems in the wheels. Leaf springs are nice. The packs there, steering, diff, front suspension, and the drums. And what's neat is the drums are detailed with studs. If you want to build this as a project vehicle or a field vehicle, I mean, it gives you a lot of options. So when I saw the trailer, I think when I did some research on the company back when I bought this sedan, delivery, from what I understand, they mostly built trailers. So when I saw this kit, I was kind of excited. Usually I build my own stuff from scratch. I haven't done a trailer in a while. But anyway, I figured this is going to be neat. So I haven't actually looked at this kit yet. So this is you and me are looking at this together. I did cut the tape here, so I didn't have to do that on film. So let's see what's inside. It shows you get 2 back doors, and this is a 21-foot long tag trailer. Let's see what we got. Okay, so there's what's like inside. Right off the hop, they got the vinyl tires here on top. These first appearance to me look like monogram tires, 24 scale. They probably look okay on a trailer. A little big. Maybe if I was putting this behind a 25th scale pickup truck, I would want to use 25th scale tires, because they would just look big, and usually trailer tires are 16-inch or 15-inch. Smaller trailers might be 14. So if you put 25th scales, I think I would use like a tire from AMT. From the first, just looking at these, I don't think I would use them, but that's what you get. And it looks just like the monogram tires, so I don't know if they made a deal with getting them off them or if they copied the molds, but anyway, that's what you get. They got nice lettering on them, Goodyear. Steel belted radial, it says on there. Cool. So here's looks like ramps and some pieces. They come ultra long, looks like, so you could probably cut them to the length you want or use your imagination. Can get into these bags here. It see what the plastic is like. So it's oh yeah, it's pretty nice. It's got checker plate pattern on the ramps. That's nice. So that's you know, you could, if you didn't use these on this trailer, you could almost build a car trailer that just uses where the tires go. You could, that's long enough you could build a car trailer out of. So that's an option too. Comes with looks like maybe a hitch that goes onto a bumper, a couple of, looks like jacks. It's pretty cool, trailer hitch ball. I'm into radio control as well, and Tamiya makes a ball that's brass. That would, I think, would be the best trailer hitch ball to use on any vehicle. It's about that size, and it's brass and it's threaded. You put a nut on the bottom, drill a hole in your bumper, or if you built a hitch. So this is a like a receiver, like not a receiver style. This looks like something you put on a bumper. So, and then this looks like the jack. That's cool. This might be a spare tire mount. Is that, maybe that's what that is? Looks like it holds a wheel, but I don't know if that's how they do the suspension. Let's take a look. Next tree. All right, cool. Right off the hop, I see you get 3 axles. So it's a dual axle trailer on the box. So from what I understand, they have a bigger trailer, 5th wheel available with tri-axle. So maybe it's the same tree. They use them both, but that's cool. If you want to scratch build another trailer, you have an extra axle if you want to use. That's cool. Let's see here. Wheels look like vintage Volkswagen wheels or something. They're not really, not a lot of detail on them. They probably look good as a trailer wheel, like with a center cap. You could paint them maybe 2 colors. That look pretty good. Again, like I think I would go with the 25th scale wheels, but it's a nice wheel. It's supplied. Just could add something to do some detail or find your own wheels. Pretty good. Here's some pieces. I'm not sure. I have to look at the instructions what this is for. Looks like, yeah, you got 3 sets of what these would be torsion bar style axles. And some hooks and other details. Some more checker plate here. That might be for the, looks like it might be for the back ramp, maybe, if for the door that comes down. I'm not sure if they went into that kind of detail where it folds out. So yeah, the box doesn't show any pictures of the actual trailer, so you just, again, it's just artwork. So that's why I want to do this review, so you can see what you're getting. Because it's kind of nice to be able to see this stuff. Front wall looks like that's where the hitch goes through. Back door, it's got some pins, so it looks like it'll open. And maybe that ramp piece goes to it as well. It's a checker plate on the inside of the door. Couple little sinks, but I think that would you could hide those well. That's cool. That's how I'd build it, because I'd make it a car trailer, so I'd be using that door anyway. So that's very nice to see. And what do we got here? Looks like you got 3 doors here. This looks like the back barn doors. Some hinge pockets maybe. I'm not sure what this door is for yet. If it's well, we'll look inside to see, but it looks like maybe that's the side door. Maybe you get to choose where you put it. I don't know if there's a hole in the side or not. This looks like the door frame and door for it, but we'll see what we get. These are the sides. You can feel the rivets through the bag, so they got all the detail of the rivets and everything. That's nice. Okay. Take a look and see here how this looks. Oh yeah. So this is the right side of the trailer, and there's no door molded in it. So yeah, so basically you'd have to cut a hole and put the door in, which is really good because it gives you the option whether you want a door, what side you want the door, where you want the door. Normally you have it on the front passenger side, just for if you probably got to get in or you're parked on the side of the road, you're not on the highway. And you usually have the front, so you can tie it on the front of the car, and then the back door for the back of the car. So, but that's really cool. It's got some inside tie-down detail. That's nice. And Panels are pretty nice and smooth. They got some lines here, some sinks, but it looks like that would sand out okay. A little bit of pre-sanding before you assemble it. It's kind of got a little bit of a transparency to plastic. You can see my hand, but there's enough there to work with, which is really nice. And the outside is beautiful detail with all the rivets. That's really nice. This is the left side, so that's cool. Awesome. Yeah, I'll build this trailer up probably pretty soon, and I'll do a little bit of do some videos on it so you can see how it goes together. What we got here? There's the floor. Oh, look at that. Floor and roof panel. So there's the roof panel. Slight curve to it. It's beautiful. Nice and straight. Looks great. It's got the imprinting on it, on the Galaxie Limited. Very cool. And then there's the trailer floor. Very nice. It's got the hitch molded right in. Yeah, it's got the wheel wells in there, and checker plate floor again. It's usually don't see these enclosed trailers with a steel checker plate floor. They're usually wooden floor. Guys do peel and stick tiles on them and stuff, but that's cool. You could keep the checker plate, or you could sand it out and put something else, or put something else over top. It gives you lots of options, which is really cool. You can build it your way, or just build it the way it is, and you have a really cool car trailer. It has a little bit of a beaver tail to it. At least it's a long beaver tail, so when you're loading a car, you don't bottom it out. I know on some real trailers, I don't like beaver tails. They're too steep, and you're forever using blocks of wood to get the car in and out, so that's good. Well, that's good. So anything else left other than the instructions? And here they show their 46 Chev there. And what do we got for decals here? Oh, look at this. So it has nice decals. A lot of plate options for different states. And not for hire stickers. That's really good. Galaxie. It's got, looks like reflective, the reflective stickers that go down the side of a trailer. Very nice. And not for hire too. You can put that on the truck that's towing it, because a lot of private guys, you want to put that on there, so you're not like having to deal with DOT depending on what you're towing. It's got some information stickers on it. That's very nice. These decals look like nice decals, so very good, very good. Nice decal sheet. Here's the instructions. So very straightforward. Yeah, there's that panel does go on the back door. That's very cool, because when you fold the door down, then the back panel flips over, and you're able to, it's like a ramp to get up. Ramp channel. Very cool. And then there's the axles there, wheels. Oh, I see. That's actually not for a spare. That's the like jacks. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's it. So there's the kit, and hope you enjoyed opening this up with me. And if you like the video, please subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.